Takes like instantly, that camera. Oh! He's scared. He's not hitting it like he was yesterday.
Because he's got your sister in there.
I know. He doesn't care. Hit it.
Hit that thing, girl! Come on!
That guy was coming. Make sure it doesn't run out of tape.
Hey, we're like barely moving. Get going!
Hit it! That truck was kind of coming. But not that bad. Watch Sam. Watch this. Gets it.
Oh, that was bad, bro.
Stop! Good one. Don't fucking break the truck trying to impress the girl.
Fuck it.
He's going to. He doesn't give a shit.
Hey,
Yeah!
you got an expert cameraman on your hands. Don't
Yeah,
get that
yeah.
fucked up.
Here's my
What's up, girl?
It landed
You know
sideways.
what I mean? Hey, that better go on YouTube now.
Hey,
Let's
that
get
was
it going.
funny, huh? Did you see that?
That was bad.
That was crazy.
It landed on the side. Sorry.
You don't even understand the view I got. I got him coming up the hill, and I'm like smooth, whoosh, watching you just land.
Right over there.
Fuck these fucking clowns.
Hey, is my battery
I'm like,
still in there?
hey, I'm like fucking Steven Spielberg right here.
Raymond, go on the other side and do it.
side, you can see the entire undercarriage.
Want me to check
Hey.
the batteries there?
Get one from the front view.
What are you talking about?
Like, go down there to where you can see my tires come off the ground and land. Hey, is
Lay
my
down
battery
right
still
there,
held
have
in
him
there?
jump over you.
Yeah.
Char's like,
She's like higher.
There's a bigger jump right next to it.
steeper.
That's a bottom outer.
Yeah.
Hey, just get it going.
Hey, my dick.
Get it going.